right, boys and girls, here's what we got going on right now. Got my two buddies, Cole and my man Denton, on. And it's Denton's birthday. How old are we today, Denton?
15.
What? On the moving weight vac cat rig here with the old chief, doing some standard back to our roots, standard commercial vermilion fishing. It's Denton's birthday, and I have owed him and his buddy Cole a fishing trip. I've been wanting to take them out for a long time, and we are doing some deep dropping today, and they are chewing. Look at this, just hit bottom. Let them load up on there, Denton. Oh yeah. Get him. Oh, Denton's being greedy. It's a respectable game. What do we got over here, Cole? Oh boy, they're chewing. Oh boy. What do you got to say, Cole?
Vermies.
Go like this. They're biting. Denton's definitely got 2 or 3 on there. It's a stiff rod. I don't know, a little suspect on your rod, Chief. Cole's got a few. Yeah, I feel like something's backwards here. I'm getting old, but I guess I'll drop the spinning rod recreationally. You know, recreationally for Chief. This is the Penn Slammer. What is it? 6500 that I threw on the back cat here for Chief. He needed a couple nice reels. He's fishing raggedy reels. Yeah. Had to get him some nice Penn rod and reels.
Had to move away from the Shimano.
This is had to move away from the Shimano. This is a Carnage 3, 20 to 40 pounds, 7 foot. Watch this. I am dropping in 300 feet of water here, so it's very scoshy, but I'm gonna do it. What we got, a 3 banger? What? This got a 2 banger. Oh, you're sleeping, Denton. You gotta get him in.
You gotta keep tension on him, dude.
Gotta get him in.
All the time. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get us.
Hold on there, Chief.
Oh, okay. Okay. Man, we're marking them really good. Oh.
Got one on the spinner. See if I can get a double here.
Oh,
there's a double. See if I can get a triple here. I got a few. Can't call it. Might have just pulled one off. I don't know.
Drop it down, Chief?
Nah, but we'll wait till Adam gets up and we'll mark it.
Yeah, just rebait and get ready.
Yeah.
A little hunchback action here, Chief.
Yeah.
I'm getting old. You know what, Cole? This next one's all you, buddy.
All right.
I think I'm done here. Cole said,
I don't even want to mention the word that's not happening right now. I'm not going to say it. I'm not even going to speak it. I'm not speaking.
Don't be talking like that. He's being disrespectful to my fish here. All raggedy.
What has not happened yet. I can't say it. It starts with an S. Don't say it. Do not say it. It's got a fin. You cannot say the word.
The S word.
What's up with these old ones here?
What the silly?
Freaking Sam crank? I don't know if I'd call that worth it there, boys. Call that worth for a little 1.3 pound vermilion snapper. Vagrantly. But it's honest work, it is. We're putting together a few. That's only like 3 drops we've done so far. Denton caught a nice one there. Go ahead and hold him up, Denton. Wow, that's a nice beeliner, buddy. Turn this way in the sun. That's a nice one.
Nice one.
Probably about 3 pound vermilion snapper, and right now at the market we're getting $6 to $7 a pound for them. Should be getting 8. Very suspect on Bussy, but
very suspect vermies.
Very. But Cole, well, let's see what you think about the Penn Slammer here in a minute. I'm gonna drop the electric reel. Chief's having a hard time marking these fish twice in a row. I don't know what's going on. He's getting old. We'll see what happens. Cole's got him on here on the Slammer, and this is the original Penn Slammer with the gold handle, spooled up with some 40-pound Berkeley Prospect, or no, sorry, Berkeley X9 with the Carnage 3. Oh, what do you got, a double there, buddy? I'm seeing a lot of color. I don't know. No, just a nice single. Oh, he just came off right there. Look at him. See your other one?
Yep.
Oh no. What the heck?
You know what? You have to say the word.
Oh, that's a jumbo. That's a jambalaya Rex. Wow. Cole looks deactivated after one pull on the spinner. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, yeah, nice one. Oh my god. Oh, there's a nice one. See them? That's a good one, Cole.
Let him eat. Let him eat. Couple dolphin here in the mix, boys and girls. You got a nice one?
I got a good one.
Get him there, Cole. Careful, boys. I got a grip hook out here. Bring him in there, Cole.
There's a couple of bigger ones on there.
Here, Cole. You got a dolphin on the popper?
Popper fish. Nice one, too.
Wow, I don't know if I'd go that far, Chief, but Denton's got one on. Put them in here. Oh, that looks dangerous. Away from the rig, Chief, away from the rig.
That might be slippery.
Yeah, you got a nice one. They're definitely small fish, but those are all keepers. Go on in there, buddy. All right, let's see what Cole's got here. Cole's losing his mind here. Got dolphin around the boat. I'm gonna film the crew all back there. Look at them all. Well, get him a little throat hook action. He must be a legend. Get him out there. Get him out there. Oh, cast him out. Cast him out for a big one. Oh, look at them all. Woo. Woo. Sling him out there, Denton. Let's see it. Get him out far. Oh, smoked it. You gotta cast it. Here, cast over here, Cole. Oh,
Wow.
little raggedy one. Look at him blowing up on him over there.
That's amazing. Is it 20 gonna fork at him?
Yeah.
Couple dolphin there, you guys. A lot of them are throwbacks, little rats, but you know, a few keepers. No, not big ones by any means, but they're keepers. They'll go to the market, Chief.
Yeah, well,
Chief, you know how Chief likes to keep them for dinner. Very suspect. Putting Chief to work here on the spinner. Oh yeah. What do I got? Oh,
3-piece.
little 3-piece action there. A couple nice ones too. We'll take them. You know, that's probably about $7 a pound. That's probably a 3-pound vermilion there. So, you know, $30. Where's Chief got here? Chief, you're getting worn out. I can hear you breathing.
Oh, he's tiring.
One piece. Cute, Chief.
that was a big one. Oh, snap. Really working out.
Wow. Wow. All right, now we're switching gears here. Denton's on the spinner. He's sweating. I am no longer fishing the spinner for the day. I got a few on the electric here. He's got 2. He's got a 2-piece. Honest work there, buddy. Very honest.
Very honest work. What'd you bring me? Some watermelon? That's nice. Thanks, Paul.
Wow.
You're my favorite now.
Hey, I brought them, so.
Okay. Wow. We can do that too.
What do you got, Cole? Oh yeah. Cole's got a 3-banger there, buddy. There you go. And a nice jack. Oh yeah.
That's why I was fighting so hard.
Get him, Cole. Quit putting the youngsters to work today. Amberini. What the freaking swank on her? Get him, buddy. Careful of that lead, chief puppy. Grab that lead.
This bud like this, man. Here you go, boy.
You fall off?
Yeah.
Give me 2.
There you go.
I'm in the net. Another 6-bird. Yeah. Might have to give old Dennis there that other long rig. We're getting him on the 14 hook rig here, boys.
How many hooks are on it?
I think 13 or 14. Got 2 6-birds in a row there. We'll take it. I like to call 14 hook rig. And I think it's gonna be unreal. Let me give you some live action here. We got the Mr. Denton over there on, what do you got, 12 hooks, probably 13?
Yeah.
Quite a few as well. They're biting really good now, and we don't have any predation. I'm not gonna say it, Chief.
Don't say the S word.
Say the S word here. Sharks. And they're biting, and we don't have much tide, so you can really kill them on a day like this. And I'm about to hit bottom. Let me show you guys what it's like. Let me give you a live action shot here. This is a Daiwa Tanacom on a very suspect custom rod, in my opinion. Here we go.
Adam,
What?
this is your rescue part.
Wow, there you go. That's a nice one, Chief. Probably a 4-pounder. Okay, just hit bottom. Right there. Now I should start getting bit instantly.
We're on a skagging edge here.
Got them on. There they go. Oh my God, they're freaking chewing. Look at that rod too. Whoa. Not a lot of bites here, Chief. Very suspect on you. Had a few. You marking them? What the heck? I only got one on, Chief. Very suspect of you. Very suspect of Chief here. Maybe I'll turn the go. We got a couple on here. Denton says he's getting drag pole action.
Watch it stall out. See?
Wow. Denton's strung there, Chief. Strung big time. Denton's got a 7-banger for sure. I did. I got a few, maybe only 2 or 3, but we will see what Denton's got.
What? You got pit though, didn't you?
Yeah, I know. Nope, that's it.
Get your turn here.
You think you got him good there?
I mean, they were stalling out, so I think I got some too. It might be a big grouper, so.
Definitely not a jack. It's fighting just like a bunch of worms. Welcome to John Swankery. If you guys are enjoying the video, go ahead, drop a like on it for my man, Denton and Cole. And comment. Say something nice about Chief. Here it is, laser cat.
Very nice.
Pretty suspect in his laser cat Chief. No moving weight hat, no pen hat, I don't know. Check out Pen if you haven't already. Check out the merch channel, Movin, or the merch website. What the heck?
Well, we can keep them at least.
Got a vagrant feedliner down there now. Bring him in, puppy. Alright. Here you go. Oh, what? Oh, grouper. Oh, mixed bag action. No mixed bag. Okay. What the heck is going on here with that thing? Raggedy. Oh, yeah. Get him, Cole, or Ben, in the boat. Oh, yeah. 5-banger. Nice work, then. Denton's out here moving weight. Oh, Cole's got him on. Bring that up here. We'll do another drift there. Oh. We got a nice 5-banger over here. Chief, what do you think? What do you think? So let's get a strike report, Chief.
5-banger.
Wow. What? Sam Crankleberry? Look at these fish. Oh my gosh. Look at these fish. Just go back for some vagrant AJs. Predatation. Wow. Chief's breaking a spirit here. Holy crap. Looks silver like a jack. That a grouper, Chief? It's coming to float.
There you go.
Keep reeling. Reel! What the heck?
Oh, you're filming?
What the freaking swank?
Swank just gotta... God, we don't want to get
It
hooked.
looks like a tile fish.
This is a good way to get a hook right in you. Okay, gaff them when you can, okay?
Get him. Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper.
He'll do. Nice job, Cole. Yeah, that's a good one. He definitely sucked up a vermilion there. Go ahead and reel up, Denton. What do we got, Cole?
Big ol'
AJ. Yee-hoo!
Might
Hey.
be 30, huh?
Yeah, he's close.
That's what's called a box full of first dirt.
Got him on right now, too.
In the brine. Yes, there is ice in there. It's down deep.
It's cold, isn't it?
It's very cold. Denton's got him on. Boys are putting a hurting on him for Denton's birthday and whatnot. Affiliated. That is 100 feet of vermilions. Unreal. Cole? Wow. No? Are you kidding me, Cole? Sam Clank. Smaller fish. Boys are catching some jacks here. Yep, nice one. Not a giant, but a nice one. Go keep pulling, keep pulling. Yeah.
There's a big Almaco.
Giant Almaco, Chief. Yeah. Bring him in here. He'll sell. Nope, that's a big Almaco. Oh, it's a... Holy crap. Talk about an Almaco hanging on a weed line there. A couple nice jacks. Here's what we got going on. Put the rest back in there. Got a big old blue runner. Big circle hook. Hooking through the top of the lip there. Just like that. we're dropping it down nice and slow, just like that. Now it's Cole's turn. On the first drop, I didn't film. We caught about a 40-pound AJ, and then he caught about an 18, 20-pound Almaco, huge Almaco. Now we're gonna let Cole drop. Cole, once it hits bottom, all you're gonna do, when you see that rod start to double over, hold this switch and don't let go, okay? All right, I'll set you up for the rest. That's it. Now Chief's gonna troll us around. We'll see what happens here with Cole. Let it load. Don't flick that switch right away. Take your finger off it for now, so you'll get trigger happy. You wanna let him eat it and crap the hook out and then reel it up. Oh, he's getting nervous. Got a little bump there. There he goes. Flick it up. Oh, got him on. Yep. Oh, he's on, Chief.
Can't tie it all there.
Cole on a big AJ. Don't let go of that switch, Cole. Nice fish. He's not fighting too hard. No, he's tight. He just might be a rat. There he goes. Now he's taking line. What do you think, Cole? You having fun today?
Yeah.
Denton?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Good reports from the boys here. Got a big old AJ on there. He's throwing some head shakes there.
Drop one of those Vermilion drops.
Yeah, we're gonna catch a couple fresh bait. I think we gotta don't let go of that switch, killer. We're gonna catch a couple little beeliners and drop a beeliner down. What we got, Cole? Give me the strike report. Small?
Yeah.
Nice leader job, Cole. Looks like a freaking grouper. He's a keeper. Big Almaco. Gaff him. Oh, you got gaff the fish here, Denton. Big Almacos. We'll take them. Probably $50 fish there. Keep grinding it out here, boys. Got another one on here, boys. Another one on. I'll leave it for you. Out there. Turn the motor, dude. Doesn't feel very big. I'll tell you that.
Surfing them up?
Yeah. Looks like an AJ though, it is. That an Almaco? Oh!
Yeah. AJ or Almaco?
Almaco.
No.
No, it's an AJ.
AJ, hold on, don't gas him.
No.
Too small?
I think it's gotta be 36 or 40. Yeah, measuring. What do you think? Yeah, we measure. He's worth the measure.
What was this? I thought it was an Almaco. He was a keeper, he was 37 inches. All right, Denton has got a giant 40-pound amberjack right now. Huge, it's just totally stolen the reel out. And he's just sitting down there pinwheeling like a tuna, or it's a big eye, you never know. We got a box full of fish here, probably about 250 pounds vermilions, or about 100 pounds of jacks, and they're biting. I'm about to start gutting these fish, and I will show you a little time lapse of that. We are at 150, still down there quite a ways. Now we're starting to gain some headway on them. What in the Sam crank? That guy's kind of hauling, Chief.
Yeah.
Golden State. I don't know. What do you think, Dan? A little suspect on that boat? It's a good day for him. They got no current. Usually, they're not moving. Oh, careful there, killer. I got you. Let go. Grab the line.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a real one. Push the lead. What do we got? What do we got? Doesn't look big. What the heck? No, it's not. It's a jack. Yeah, nice jack. Careful there, Chief Puppy. Oh yeah, gap him. Not a giant, but we'll take him. Oh yeah. All right, boys and girls, we just made it back to the dock. I had a little gutting injury there. I'm sure you saw it in time lapse.
What?
You guys want some fish to take home or not? Huh?
I mean, I'll take some if you don't mind.
Yeah, we take some dolphin, you take some snapper, whatever. But you gotta clean them. I'm not gonna clean them.
Now, Chief's taking away my pay here. What the heck?
That's alright.
Nah, he's taking dolphin. Take a nice dolphin. My mama Loose wants a dolphin. Here. Alright. Put up the cleaning table there. Alright. Clean a nice dolphin for my mom. Even though they're probably the most disgusting fish to swim. In my opinion, that's my opinion. Everyone has their own. Trust me, I don't agree with everyone. Especially y'all watching the videos. But, that's okay, that's life. I don't like dolphin. I think it tastes like a baked potato. Plain. But that is what we got, and I can assure you guys, this water, this slush is ice cold. You shouldn't be able to move your fish at all. All your fish should be stiff like this, nice and stiff. And all these fish are gonna get put on 100 pounds of ice in my truck in about 10 minutes, and they're gonna go to the market. Little raggedy dogs barking. And I'm gonna sell them tomorrow, but I promise you this is how the commercial process is done. You guys saw us have some fish out of ice for 10 minutes at a time. They're dying. Those fish just came in the boat. They're fresh as could be. This is the freshest fish in the ocean right here. We just caught it a few hours ago. So any of you guys saying, oh, you don't have a lot of ice, I promise you, when we've been draining that slush, these fish are rock solid. We had 200 pounds of ice this morning. We just slushed them. That's what you got to do to make them nice. And then they're gonna get laid on ice with the drain plug open overnight. So they're gonna really harden up, and I'm gonna sell them in the morning. So I will set the GoPro up and start loading these fish up. What's going on, boys and girls? We are back at the house. I actually forgot to film an outro, so I'm sorry about that. I will give you guys a quick breakdown. We had about 200 pounds of vermilion snappers, 150 pounds of amberjacks, and 80 pounds of Almaco jacks, and like 30 pounds of rudderfish. So it ended up being like $6 a pound for the vermilions, and then around $2 a pound for the jacks. So we made roughly around $1,600, and I think Chief probably burned around $200 worth of fuel that day. And yeah, didn't lose any leads, didn't lose any rigs, probably about $20 in a box of squids, and we had some mackerel that we were cutting up from the wintertime. So not a bad day, not a great day, pretty standard. But I was also really stoked to be able to go on Chief's boat and take those 2 kids out. If I didn't mention already, that was actually Denton's birthday. And the other kid, Cole, that was on the boat, it was going to be his birthday in the next week. So make sure you guys go ahead and comment below. Wish them 2 a happy birthday. And Denton's family has been super good to me over the years, supporting the channel. And both of them are huge, huge fans of the channel. So I was glad to get to take them out. And on top of that, I'm sure all my local guys, Jupiter and Stewart area, are familiar with Captain Pat Price that used to run the Daymaker. He sadly passed away about a year ago. And he used to give away a free charter once a year at, I think, in an auction. And Lindsay, Denton's mom, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to take that over and do that. And I was more than happy to do that and honor Pat and give away a free charter a year. And I'd be more than happy to continue to do that. So Denton actually won that auction. And we got to take him out, which is super cool. He's a great kid to have on the boat. And yeah, so I'm going to continue to do that once a year. I will have hopefully some information in the description below about that maybe next year, or I'll say something about it on my Instagram or YouTube next year. And again, if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like on the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you're not already. We are getting back into the groove of posting. If you guys are new to the channel, check out the previous videos. Check out the merch, movinweightfishing.com. Check out the charter business, movinweightcharters.com. Check out the Instagram, adam.malusi, and we will see you next time. Moving Weights out.